Alright, guys, I believe we are live. Long time no see, y'all. Anyways, so so today we're gonna be talking about mainly the severe weather that is happening this week. Day 5 and day 6 both have 15% chances of severe weather, and we're gonna talk briefly about the possible hurricane that's heading toward the Mexico. Yeah, so as you can see here, we're just gonna go over the GFS real quick. And let me get my drawing thing out. Anyway, so as you can see, you can already see at the beginning of the loop, there is this thing. That is the possible hurricane. Is it a tropical storm or not? Nope, not yet. I believe it's not an HC. It's potential tropical cyclone 15, so it's almost. But it does have winds of tropical. It does have tropical storm force winds. And yeah, what's up TRG? What's up Parliament? What's up Enzo? Yeah, so real quick, we'll just go over the track real quick of this system. Yeah, it doesn't have a closed. It doesn't. I don't think it has like a closed low or like a very good closed low, but it still has winds of tropical storm force winds. Yeah, it's off the center, but I feel like tonight is gonna get a lot more organized. That's what I think. But as you can see here, tropical storm watches are in effect for Jamaica, and I'm not sure what this island is called, but if you are in that island, you are under a tropical storm watch also. So in the next couple of days, it's just gonna be is it become a hurricane? Do you know how long it would take? Uh, I would say Tuesday night. So maybe at like 11 p.m. advisory. Probably could have close to, if not tropical storm, hurricane force winds, and then it's gonna remain a hurricane until Wednesday afternoon. Then make landfall near Belize. I think that is called. I think that's what it's called, Belize. And then just it's gonna weaken, but it's gonna bring a lot of rain towards Mexico. So yeah, as we can see, we're gonna go on the GFS model. Right here, right here is where the hurricane is. Oh, what just happened? This is where the hurricane is, right there. Also, if we go later on into the loop, you can see it just as soon as it makes landfall, it dies out really fast. Models are trending to a rapid strengthening, but first it has to battle. Oh yeah, there is some shear that's gonna be impacting this storm for the next 12-ish hours. And yes, no, it's not heading for North Carolina, not at all. It's not. The U.S. has no threat for this. There's no threat to the U.S. for this. But if we go, sadly, but if we do go later on into the loop, we can see as you can see, it dies out very fast. Then out of nowhere, this thing, this pops up. That is our next severe weather outbreak. As you can see, day 5 and 6, that's where, that's this. That's this right here. And we'll go deeper into that. It's gonna be I would say a multi-day severe weather outbreak. Probably, I think it's 2 days, maybe 3. But yeah, so real quick, let's go over is there, guess not, there's no rainfall yet. Alright, so let's go take a look at think it's the Euro model. I haven't seen a hurricane. Yeah, 6 years ago. For real, that's crazy. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna take a look at the Euro model. So I'm just gonna play this loop for y'all real quick, so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah. Also, TRG, I don't know if you saw this in the Eastern Pacific towards the end of the loop, right here. Look at that. I don't know if you saw that. Let me know if you saw that. Yeah. Yeah, Category 2 max for this storm. Yeah, Palma, yeah, you saw that? Yeah, it's too little time in the water. And yeah, I thought you, I would have thought you did see it, if I'm being honest. But so we are gonna take a look at the Euro high res. I'll do some real quick. There you go. But yeah, so let's take a look at the Euro high res. See what this severe weather outbreak is looking like. Forecast loop. Alright, so alright, before I show y'all the before I show you where it is, I'm gonna show y'all where it starts, if I can. And go right here. Alright, right here. Alright. So regions, alright. Alright. So right here is where it's gonna start. We're gonna This was 3 days ago. This was the severe weather I'm pretty sure that we had a couple days ago. Alright, so this is gonna start over here. The severe weather is not gonna start over here. It's this big trough that's about to come on to the states, to the west coast. That trough is gonna spark up our severe weather as it moves closer to Texas. See, you can see it, that big trough already, and then looks like it's a little small, but then it dives down, and that right there, that is what's gonna spark up our severe weather. That trough right there. That trough is gonna spark up our next severe weather outbreak. Yeah, we'll take a look at, if we can, a couple of the ingredients for the severe weather outbreak real quick. So let's look at, yeah, I don't think a lot of people have actually seen this, but I think sometimes I like to use this because sometimes it'll indicate a trough. I think I'm too low. Right here. There you go. There, you can see the trough right there. I like to use this also sometimes. The vorticity. Yeah. So we'll try to check. We'll see. Hmm. Yeah. So we'll do simulated IR satellite real quick because why not? Oh, it doesn't even go out that far. Dang it! It does not go out that far. Anyways, so yeah. See, all right, right here. This is where it starts. That is our severe weather outbreak right here. Boom. And yeah, so boom and boom. Yeah, yeah, Palmet. I don't want to hear you talking about you don't get a lot of rain. You should see how much rain I'm supposed to get in the next what the GFS says. It's going crazy. But yeah, why do I have this? Oh, there's a thumbnail. All right. Anyways, see, I would do soundings, but can't do it on the Euro model. But as we can see, this is gonna be sponsored by. It's gonna be a dry line. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. I need to zoom in more. Right here. Look at that. Look at that dry line. So, oh yeah, dry lines are always fun to track. No doubt about that. I love tracking dry line storms because they always pop up out of nowhere. Like once it gets the moisture that it needs, it just goes kaboom. So yeah, we definitely have very favorable dew points. Like even up to parts of Oklahoma. 60-degree dew points. All right here. This is where the main severe weather is gonna be. Of course, right along the dry line. Yeah, right here. That's basically the dry line. I know the line's not straight, so don't be on me for not drawing a straight line, y'all. Yeah, Palmet. Whenever storms form on a dry line, they form fast, not slow. That's why we like to track dry lines because they're fast. They're fast growing storms. From 0 to 100 in 10 minutes. Yeah, 10-15 minutes and then it's kaboom time. Anyways, so let's see here. Go to severe weather. Bulk shear. All right. So we'll be able to see right here. All right. I'm gonna show you how the bulk shear. The bulk shear also plays a main role in the severe weather outbreak. So as you can see here, that bulk shear. Look at that. Up to 100 knots, 110 knots. If you're anywhere in the yellow is 100 plus knots of bulk shear, which is absolutely crazy. We can also look at GFS for more products for severe weather. Yeah, so the bulk shear and we'll do surface-based CAPE. Basically the CAPE is just basically the amount of energy in the atmosphere. If you guys were wondering. Oh, Chad disappeared for a minute. All right. W. So yeah, GFS also has a lot of bulk shear also. No, not as strong though. Yeah, not as strong though. Yeah, so then we're gonna. All right, let's go to surface-based CAPE. So basically, we're gonna see basically about how much energy is gonna be sparking up these storms. Already, the dry line is one ingredient. The shear is also. Yeah, my Epic Pen is. Yes, I know. Yes, my Epic Pen has an update. Yes, I know. Don't worry, I know that. It has like an update almost all the time. It feels like I got you. But right now, we're gonna click the ignore button. Wow. I probably just triggered TRG for ignoring it. So right here, he said press ignore. Little does he know, little does he know, I already did. So yeah, there is a good amount of cape, if I'm being honest. 1,500 joules per kilogram. That's it triggered you, Parliament. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm being honest. I think, if I'm being honest, anything above 1,000 joules, I don't know what TRG considers good cape, but I think anywhere from 1,000 plus is good for severe weather outbreaks. Like all this blue is basically above 1,000, so we will be able to see. Why does it keep doing that? All right, there is a lot of energy in the atmosphere though, and we'll do surface-based convective inhibition though. We'll go over that real quick. It basically says if this is in place, this is what we call our capping, and if when our capping breaks, that's also. Oh yeah, 1,000 cape is plenty when we're talking of. Yeah, see like right now, at this point in time right here, what is this, 100 something hours out? No storms will be forming in this convective inhibition. That's way too much. Yeah, so we go right here. If I remember correctly, this is the time for the severe weather outbreak. I'm pretty sure. I can confirm that too. Go right here. Yeah, 138, 144. Yeah, right here. It looks like a lot of convective inhibition, if I'm being honest. Yeah, capping is also a part of a dryland most of the time. When the cap breaks, that also fuels the storms a lot. Yeah, so basically, whenever this is not here, storms would. Yeah, that means the storms would not form if this was here. Yeah, so we'll go to. I'm actually curious about storm relative helicity. All right, let's see. Palmet, if if you stream, would you watch? Of course, Palmet, of course. I would, Palmet, of course. So yeah, right here, as you can see, Chargy, look at this, yo. Look at this, yo. We got plenty of SRH. This is from 0 to 3 kilometer. We have plenty, especially right here. Like Texas is gonna be favorable for some tornadoes. Very favorable actually. And also, we like to use this also. Energy Helicity Index. I'm just going over all these products real quick, and then think after that might end it there. So we'll end it in about like maybe 5-10 minutes maybe. Probably around 10 o'clock we'll end. Not 10, yeah, 10 o'clock, maybe a little after 10. Yeah, so right here. All right. Energy helicity index is basically like the amount of energy that it has for storms to form. As you can see, it actually has a decent amount. Yeah, Lucky did a stream. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of these. If I'm being honest, I'm gonna be doing a lot more. Y'all mark my word. Y'all can clip it if y'all want to. I'm gonna be doing more of these. Yeah, so the TRG, if you look at this, the amount of energy helicity index. It's actually pretty decent. Clipped. All right, you clipped it. All right, bet. I got you. He gonna regret that? No, no, I'm not. Come on now. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, TRG. Maybe up to a 2, 2.5. Going down here is up to 2.5, 3. I feel like this could have potential to be a very. I can't really say a very bad outbreak. It's gonna be a very. Hmm. It could be a very interesting one. There you go. A very interesting one. Yeah. We can also do supercell composite. And we'll see. And then we have. And we'll go over some photographs together. See if we get any good photographs with these storms. But yes, so supercell composite. All right, Sergio, I'm not gonna regret that. I promise you, I'm not gonna regret that. I cannot speak. But yeah, so as you can see here, this is where the severe weather outbreak is. It's actually not. It's actually not pretty high. It's actually decent. Yeah, as we get closer, it's definitely gonna change. I know. I know. I know about that. I know that. So now, shall we look at some photographs? I had to share that clip. It's going into our DMs. Okay, I got you. It's going straight to the DMs. Let me guess, you pinned it also. Yep. He like he said he gonna stream. Okay. No, oh yeah. I forgot about that. Alright, wait a minute. Hmm. I don't know. Wait real quick. You guys, I gotta make y'all mods real quick. I got you, Paul, man. I got you. Bro. Yeah, so why not? Let's look at some photographs. Why not? Oh wow. Let's look at this. Oh, Childry, look at this sounding. First sounding that we're going over. Alright, real quick. I'm gonna make Parliament, I will grant you your wish. Gotta make sure. Alright. There you go, Parliament. I got you, my man. What do you mean watch this? TRG, you can't do it now. Yeah, I saved you, Parliament. I saved you. Oh, that's crazy. But yeah, so TRG, look at that sounding. I say that's a decent sounding for a first sounding. Don't you think? Look at that photograph. Very favorable, if I'm being honest. 66-degree dew points at the surface. It was very favorable. Lucky's a favorite now. No, TOD, no, do not leave. You are not allowed to leave. So yeah, basically, this sounding is basically it's actually a decent one if I'm being honest. Marginal tornado sounding, very low convective inhibition in place. Oh whoa, very low convective inhibition right here. right here. You have a decent amount of cape though. Yeah. Charlie said I'm bound to this channel. Probably go live in 5 minutes. Hmm. Yeah, TRG, do you agree with me? Do you think this is a decent sounding? I think it's a decent sounding, if I'm being honest. I feel like we can find a better one though. Let you guys see what you think about it. You can also see the winds. Yeah, you can see the wind. Yeah, it is a good one. It is. Wind direction is going from here to here. I don't know. To right here. Can you? He said, "But where is it and what time?" All right. It is at is 1:53 hours out. Wait, is this the? Oh, this is the 12Z. Oh, why was I on the 12Z? I'm sorry, y'all. I was on the 12Z the whole time. That's crazy. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That is very crazy. So this is all right here, right on the border. This sounding right here. Marginal tour. Very good, Kate. Is that all right? We got going right here. All right. We'll look at this real quick, and then we'll look at like maybe 3 soundings. There we go. This is a sounding that we need to look at probably. Bro. Oh. Guess not. We'll look at. Wait a minute. This sounding gonna be decent or no? No. I mean, it was on the 12Z, so I might just go back and using the 12Z. So we'll just use the 12Z for right now. Yes, TRG. Yes. I just harassed by a Oh my lord. Yeah, TRG. If you go to the 12Z, you got this storm right here, the one on the border. It's is this sounding right here. I say we look at this sounding real quick, and then we look at maybe one more, and then I'm gonna end it. I know TRG wants me to stream more. Yeah, as we can see, it does have a good amount of SRH, storm relative Felicity. Thought it was dirt. Oh lord, come on TRG. Yeah, we got good amount of us from 0 to 1 kilometer. The energy helicity index is almost up to 1, so I, I say that's actually pretty good already from 0 to 1, 0 to 3, and it's 1.2. Yeah, but the effective inflow 39 knots. I think that's for shear, and then 0 to 3 kilometer shear is 40, and 0 to 1 kilometer is 27 knots. That's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty favorable. If the shear was at maybe 30 knots, that'd be probably we're looking at not a marginal tour sounding. We're probably gonna look at um just a regular tour sounding. Yeah, I can definitely. Pump said he's starting soon. Uh, let's see. Gotta see something real quick. All right. Oh, Red, what's up, my man? What's up? Church said I'm out. Vroom. I'm holding up pretty good. How about you? Yeah. Also, yeah. Yeah, and yeah, how are you, Red? I'm doing good. I gotta check some real quick. Be like 30 seconds. Yeah, so I would say, hmm, let's see. I'd say we look at one more sounding. That's just what I think. Let's look at one more sounding. Let's look at this one right here at the also at the border. Is that any? Yeah, another marginal tour sounding. Oh, I mean to pull up Discord. All right. Me right now. Oof. Like remember Fallout? Yes. Xbox not better. That's not true. Xbox not better. Yeah, it is more like PC. Yeah. I'd say after we go over this sounding, I might end it off there. Unless y'all want me to go over one more sounding after this. But this sounding is also very favorable. Got 65-degree dew points at the surface. We got a little over 300 joules of cape. We got that is a good amount of convective inhibition though. Minus 34. Supercell composite is 2.7. Lapse rates are they're decent. Yeah, it is getting late now. Yeah, so after the sounding I'll end it off there. If I have enough time I will go do another one tomorrow. But I'm no promises at all. I'll try. 'Cause I do have basketball tryouts tomorrow, so I'm gonna be very busy. Yeah, so I say we look at one more sounding after this. So shear also is 26 for from the surface to 1 kilometer. What about Lucky? A baby and goes to sleep. I mean, Parliament's live. Imagine being live when Lucky's live. Come on now. Why are you live when Lucky's live? Why would you go live while Lucky's live? Not good. You're supposed to let me go live. Yeah, so yeah, no, Treasure, we're all cool. We're all cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get one more sounding real quick, cause why not? Let's get one maybe right here. Maybe right here. Let's see. Why not? And I do just have to say, forgot to put this up. Put this up real quick. Let's see if it. There we go. If it loads, if it does not load, then I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, the subscriber count is not working at all. But we did gain another sub, so I am actually very happy. And thank you to whoever subscribed. And I'll definitely make sure to see who you are. Yeah, so this sounding, it's not the best sounding. I mean, it has a little loop photograph, not really at all. But yeah, so I mean, it's a decent sounding. Oh no, it looks pretty decent, but not the best at all. But yeah. So I am probably gonna end it up there. Actually, no. You know what? Before we end it off, let's look at the satellite imagery for potential tropical cyclone 15. Let's look at that. Oh, it's got to load. Hey, loading. Yeah, of course. Y'all are all cool. Y'all are all cool. Yeah, so let's look at this infrared real quick. Yeah, it's yeah, TRG, look at this. It's really disorganized. Let's do water vapor. If it wants to show. Eh, it's it is still pretty getting pretty um it's still pretty disorganized, but it's I say tomorrow morning is gonna be a little more. I say it's gonna be a little more organized tomorrow morning. Visible high res, we won't be able to see that much. We'll be able to see the end of it. All right, not the end of it, the beginning of it. So yeah, as you can see right here, you can see it, a little bit of it. If I'm not mistaken, from what I can see, TRG, you can correct me if I'm wrong. The low is that the low pressure? TRG, just look at that real quick. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm about to end. Don't worry. Is that the low pressure TRG? Is that the center? See, all right. I play. Oh, what is going on? Lucky weather is interesting weather show. Yes. Yeah. TRG. Yeah, that might be it might be the low because it's that's the place that I think it. See now I see another place. It could be that or this. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go over the satellite imagery real quick, and then we're gonna call it a day. Yeah. So we'll go over the infrared real quick, and yeah. But yeah, if y'all did enjoy today's live weather briefing, hit that like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more live weather briefings or videos. But yeah, so I'm gonna call it for today. Yeah, like I said, if y'all did enjoy, please like and share this with your friends and family also. If you want to get this out to if you want to get it out to more people. Yeah, so I'm a I'm gonna call it a day, y'all. So I hope y'all did enjoy, and I hope y'all have a great night. I hope y'all have a great Halloween. If I don't go live tomorrow, I hope y'all have a great Halloween. And of course, stay safe and stay weather aware. All right, y'all. I'll see you on the next one.